Hey everyone, this is Billy here back on the channel, and today we're going to be talking about Team Associated's new stadium truck. So I'm pretty sure some of you guys have already seen the new RC10 T7 team kit, but this is basically the freshest from Team Associated. They also came out with the SC7 as well. We're just mostly interested in this one though, because that is what we sort of run here at Houston RC. So scrolling down a little bit, here is the new stuff. I believe they have a new 3-gear laydown transmission, which I believe makes it just more efficient and more torque getting down to the floor. But it's very similar to the B7 as it says here at the bottom. Now my biggest gripe personally with it is the price increase on it. So the T7 is $429, but the T6.4, which I was looking at for a while, is only $299. I think it might just be because it's a new kit, but at the same time though, it's $129 more. I think it would be worth it to get the T7 for just the B7 platform. But at the same time though, this is a lot more appealing than this personally. I would hope that Team Associated would make a little documentary series thing like they did with the B7, but they do have a new video on their site here. Team Associated. So here's some action footage of it, going over a jump. And of course we got the SC7 as well. I was a little bit confused for a while whenever I was eyeing this particular stadium truck. I was like, I wonder whenever they are going to make the 7th one. And here's a bit more action footage with it. It looks like it's going around the track pretty well. I haven't ever raced stadium truck before, but I am interested in it, interested in getting into it if possible. And so we got some guys talking about it. Same shot from earlier. Stadium truck though looks fun. It looks like smaller, like 8-scale truggy basically. Another big thing that I have seen some people complain about is the fact that there's no gear diff. It's just still a ball differential. But it does say it is compatible with the gear differential. It just doesn't include the gear diff. But yeah, it's pretty much just the new stadium truck. Just wanted to talk about it a little bit. What do you guys think about the new T7? Do you like it? Do you think the price increase is justified? Are you guys gonna get one? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and I will see you guys later. Peace.